Times I've done that. Oh, I have done that, yeah.
It's just the paper legs.
No, I just think, yeah. You know me, I haven't got an ego. Sorry? I don't have an ego that big. Actually, that's debatable, I'd say.
Yeah.
That's debatable. But, you know, I mean...
I won't say anything.
No comment. No, I mean, I'm just, you know, I'm probably going to have an ego, but... What can I say? David Bevan is lovely.
Yes, that's true, isn't it?
David Bevan is lovely. It comes up with. You're not on It's Lovely, are you?
No.
Would you like to be on It's Lovely?
Sure. I say it's lovely a lot to me, so...
Oh God. We found our new hero.
Can you put up with the political shit though?
Oh yes, he loves UKIP and everything. Oh God, yeah.
No. Fuck trees, mate.
Louis Christian. And it.
Oh, is it a group chat?
Yeah, it is manic. But you know half the people on it, I think.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I know quite a lot of these people. Yeah, Jordan Cousins. Oh, Melvin's in there as well. I thought we dropped him.
Who? Melvin's a bit of a...
I've not heard from him for ages.
I haven't tried too much. He got a bit pissed with me, he did. About the tram strike. Because he called, what was it? He said that they were inbred cunts for striking. Which I thought was a bit unfair.
I wouldn't say that.
And I said to you, well, if we didn't have these unions, mate, no offence, but you'd be the first one for the slaughter. No offence, but they'd be the first one they come after. You only really got a chance in life because of the unions and other people like that. Concentration on James's face.
We're just like talking through this with you right now. It's not quite circular, you're not supposed to change it. It's not designed so you interchange. We will do a shorter run or something else.
If you say something to someone like you're not really like that, or someone who says they're chunky and you say you're not chunky, why don't you say famous? Connor's obsessed with ginger's, isn't he? Do you know I actually thought? Do you know who I actually thought? Oh, you remember I actually thought if him and Ellie would become a thing? Because like, on paper though, she is ginger. She got braces. Let me know, there's a photo I got, the photo popped up on Insta today.
Oh, that was a bear.
Bear buses.
I was surprised to see him.
Kai Messiah.
Yeah. I messaged him and said, what the fuck are you doing down there? He said, oh, well, that's the problem.
Look what popped up this morning. I posted on the group chat. That's what popped up on the list today.
Just dot.
Why didn't I see that coming? No. That was something really funny. I had some guy the other day walking behind me in Brighton and he looked a bit suspicious and I thought, don't pickpocket yesterday. This was the other week.
I know, I was in Brighton as well.
And this was like, and he had some guy that looked a bit suspicious. I think I told you about this. He looked a bit suspicious and I thought, I got a bit worried, there was two of them, they were a bit odd. And so I thought, right, phone away, and do you know what I did? I let out a massive fart and it walked off. That's one way to stop a pickpocket. Let out a massive fart.
Or if you do want to stop a pickpocket, put your earphones in.
No, never do that because it distracts you. Distraction's key. You need to be switched on. You know what I mean?
See someone coming just farting.
Well, if you've got one coming, you know.
How offensive do you like your memes?
Great. That's all right. Any others?
Oh, I can go worse, but it's quite a long way through my feet, so. Oh, I see Penguin going over. See, that's a funny act. One like
Oh, the one sitting down.
yeah, his name's Gareth Noble.
That guy does that trade tape or whatever.
Yeah, UK Mail Focus.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
That's it. Do you know, he's a right mob.
Do you know what's his face? Oh Christ! It's George Samuel Stratford cooked him. Ginger beer. What do you make of Sam Stratford? You get on?
I do get on with it, yeah. Hey! Hello. Linda Feeder, I'm sure it is.
I get on okay with Stratford myself.
I've always got.
I know that he threatened to kill you, didn't he?